Hi, it's Kathy from Chills on Chambers. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick update of what I have finished and show you. I actually have pumpkins growing in my yard. Well, pumpkin plants. I don't have any pumpkins yet. I'm hoping that I get some this year so then I don't have to pay for a whole lot for them. And then I think we're going to go to At Home and kind of see what they have. I've been hearing a lot that they have a lot of Halloween stuff out, and I really want to go see it and check it out and show you guys. I showed you guys this prop while it was still being built, and this is it finished. I still have to figure out how I'm gonna put it up outside, but I think I'm gonna attach a piece of PVC pipe to the bottom of it so it's way more stable. And I actually have lights in it now. Let me see if I can turn them on. They're down there at the bottom. So when it lights up, it actually looks really cool at night. I'm really liking it. I think it looks awesome. I think it really goes well with the other two I have done. I have my bat in a cage. His lights are red, and I'm really proud of this, honestly. Like, this is probably my favorite. I don't have a favorite. I like all three of them a lot. And then we have... quick sweep of my dirty garage. We have this one, which is a skull in there, and his lights are green, and I like the spiders crawling all over it. I think it looks really cool, and I think it's going to work really well. And then I've also been working on, if you follow my Instagram, you've probably seen this. I've been building, well, and I posted that video on how to make them. Here is one of the finished hands, and I'm really proud of that one. I'm really kind of proud of everything. And then here is the one that I actually was building in the last video. And I think it looks really good. I might have to darken it up a little bit. I haven't really decided on that yet. And then I've been fixing pumpkins that I have. So this is, I finally did some monster mud. Yay me. So this is a pumpkin that I have done. He's really small. He's actually only one layer of, he's one or two layers of paper mache that I did last year, and I never messed with it afterwards. So I monster mudded the inside and the out, and it actually turned out really well. And his stem is a glue stick that I monster mudded and everything. And I think it looks really, really good. I'm pretty proud of it. This one down here, he was only one layer of paper mache, and he got messed up. I covered him. I stupidly decided, hey, let's try duct tape and see if you can monster mud over duct tape. Guess what? You can't. So he is currently covered in great stuff, and I'm going to put some more up here. I just ran out, and I'm going to build a stem from there. But I think that that'll kind of give it that creepy vibe once I get him painted something other than black, because right now he kind of looks like a burnt marshmallow. That was my husband's assessment of him. I actually kind of agreed. So next I will show you the pumpkins. Oh, look, a wasp. Anyway, so here are my pumpkin plants. I think that they're doing pretty good. I'm hoping that means that I will get pumpkins this year, because I've never gotten pumpkins before. These are actually just pumpkins that rotted away in my yard. It was easier. I transplanted them from the regular yard in here, and then I have more just randomly coming up in patches. That doesn't make any sense, but it's been raining here a lot, so I haven't really been able to mow, and since this one now has vines growing into the yard, I have to have my husband come out here and like hold them up so I can mow back here. The regular backyard is all done. It's just the garden area. He doesn't want to mess with it because he does not like trying to mow around everything out here. But yeah, that's it. Got some tomatoes growing, some herbs. Over here I got radishes and carrots, because we have like a lot of rabbits, so putting them up is a better idea. I'm hoping I actually get some radishes and carrots, and it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna go inside. So that's everything that I have so far. I'm pretty happy with everything right now. I can't wait to go to At Home tomorrow, or maybe even later today. I haven't decided yet. We are trying to find some more props that we don't have to build, because we do tend to build a lot, and I have a pretty full plate of building because we haven't even started our giant spider, and I don't know if we're going to. I just figured out how to do part of the body, I think. So if I get that done, it'll be a miracle. But I hope you enjoyed everything. I can't wait to see what everybody else is building, and talk to you later.